Hey, welcome to the Everett Funko factory. What a delight it is at Christmas time. Come on down.
It's not actually the factory, it's the Everett Funko headquarters. But with Buddy the Elf here making all of these Funko Pops for Christmas, it does feel like it. Now, I have previously done a video here showing the Everett Funko headquarters, but at that time, half the store was down for renovations for months. So now I'm going to show it again, this time emphasizing the area that I was not able to show before. Over here to the left, this area is mostly focused on Disney and Marvel. You can see this little castle, and on this side there's Disney princesses. And on the other side it's Disney evil, bad, or scary characters. And over here, for a price, you can pop yourself. Or for half the price, I'll do it for you. There's Jack Skellington. And now we're getting into the Star Wars area with Grogu and the Mandalorian. And there's of course Chewbacca, looking festive as always for Christmas. And of course over here, reenacting the scene from The Empire Strikes Back on the ice planet of Hoth, Funko style. Over here's the Wampa and poor Luke Skywalker hanging upside down. Some people think he invented the inversion table, but I guess we'll never know. Some people call him a space cowboy, but then again, some people call him a gangster of love.
Sorry about that, Luke. There are Star Wars figures of all different kinds here. Darth Maul and Ahsoka, Obi-Wan Kenobi and Yoda. Over here there's Ewoks and C-3PO. Princess Leia and of course, Luke Skywalker. It looks like they've got a number of different versions of Luke even. And down here there's even the Millennium Falcon and Luke with R2-D2. There's even a Death Star. Basically, they're Star Wars everything. Here's the castle from the other side again. And now we'll go into the Marvel area. Starting off, we've got Deadpool just chilling up top there. Over here, Captain America is on top of the newsstand. But I think it's a really cool touch that they've got even Mr. Marvel himself, the creator of so many characters, Stan Lee, inside the newsstand. Over here we've got a couple of Stan Lee's creations. The Incredible Hulk breaking through the wall there, and of course, Iron Man. Over here, Spider-Man is welcoming you to the Funko headquarters. Over here we see Rocket and Groot from Guardians of the Galaxy. I am Groot. I agree, it is a pretty cool display. Over here in Fred's Market, there's Iron Man, Thor, and more. Oh, what a store. Over here, there's everything from Batman to Michael Jordan. And that's no bull. In my previous video I did of the Funko headquarters, I showed a lot of this side. But as you can tell, they really have a lot of different subjects they cover here. I mean, here you've got Dorothy and Toto and the Cowardly Lion, and a lot of the characters from The Wizard of Oz. And over here it's different rock bands. From Queen and Freddie Mercury to Axl Rose and Slash from Guns N' Roses.
Axl Rose, Slash, Duff.
Over here there's rap stars, pop stars, hip hop stars. I mean, they've got kind of everything. It's pretty amazing. From Michael Jackson to Cher, they're pretty much all there. Well, that's all for this video from the Funko headquarters in Everett, Washington. Goodbye.